Focus groups are great for getting brand opinion, for example, but what they don't pick up on is the one-on-one interaction with a website, which you can only get from one-on-one testing. The big thing with the focus group as well, obviously, is that the person with the loudest voice often dominates, and the real finite intricacies of how people behave and interact with websites can only really be picked up by in that one-on-one scenario. The kind of people we're after are people who ideally haven't had an experience of the product, and the whole idea is that they've got fresh eyes. They won't have seen the website before, and the best case scenario with any website is they don't have to learn how to use it. They can just get on there and it's very intuitive, and they get on with the task that actually arrived at the website to do in the first place. Video is becoming an increasing driver of online behaviour, obviously with the advent of the likes of iPlayer and YouTube and so on. The big golden rule with video is to keep it short and succinct. Make sure that the user is very aware how long each clip is, and if it's a long clip, that you split it up into perhaps 4 or 5 different clips individually. Then the user can look at bite-sized chunks and that kind of thing. It's also actually good for the user in terms of forwarding it on as well. So if there's a really succinct point in one clip, it makes it easier to send it on to someone else, basically, which is what you're after. And one of the things we found with user testing is the importance of good imagery. Big, large format images are now completely possible on the web. So a user arrives at a website and looks at a poor quality image, and literally straight away you can see they disengage with the website. They leave it almost instantly. And it's been quite amazing for us to actually witness that and see the expression on their faces. And they actually say, are these guys trying to sell to me? What are they trying to do? And it's vital to get the imagery right, because it's often at the point where they're about to convert. So that's a key thing. Post-launch with any website is a really vital time to validate your information architecture approaches, make sure that it actually still makes sense to the user. And the key thing is that websites don't exist in vacuums. That the whole time there's other things happening out on the internet. A competitor will launch a new version, a new standard will come out, or even a new web browser. And you basically have to build a site to keep moving forward with that.